préfixes et les verbes, and in this lesson we'll concentrate on the verb tenir. And here is how you could translate this verb in English. Okay, so the idea is that it will be possible to add what we call préfixes, so actually letters before this verb, and by adding these letters you will modify the meaning, the original meaning of this verb. Okay, so let's see now a few examples. So the first one that we have, if you add the letters C-O-N, con, you will get contenir, 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 okay, and that's how it could be translated. Then it's possible to add this E-N-T-R-E, entre, and you will get entretenir, entretenir, entretenir. And here is the meaning. Okay, then it's also possible to add this M-A-I-N, main, maintenir, maintenir. Okay, and that's how you should, or you could translate it. It's also possible to use this R-E préfixe, retenir, retenir, and that's what it means. And also S-O-U, soutenir, soutenir, okay, soutenir.